children. So today we are going to discuss some of the practicals that you need to write in your fair record. So this is your laboratory manual. I hope all of you bought your lab manual from our school store. Okay. So the first experiment that you need to write in our fair record is, this is the first experiment, meter bridge. So you can give a heading and let that heading be meter bridge. Okay, let meter bridge be the title of that experiment. Then it will be your experiment 1, not 2, experiment 1, meter bridge. Now first you must write the aim, then you must write the apparatus, then write the theory, and no need to draw this bridge. Okay, no need to draw this diagram. This is the principle or diagram of Wheatstone's bridge. Then you must continue the theory, and here no need to write the theory part of this particular aim, because you are finding out the resistance of a given wire, unknown resistance only. You are going to find out the unknown resistance of a given wire, and one more aim is there, that is the specific resistance of the material. So as a part of syllabus reduction, no need to do this particular experiment, that is to find the specific resistance. So just strike it. No need to write this part in your fair record. So you, in the theory part, you need to write till this portion. Okay, and no need to draw this diagram. And again in the aim, you need to do some modification. The aim is to find resistance of a given wire using meter bridge. Okay, rest of the part you can strike. Children, please listen carefully. You can strike rest of the part. In the aim part, you need to write only this sentence: to find resistance of a given wire using meter bridge. That is your aim. And here also in the theory part, you need to strike it. No need to write this. And next is the procedure. So procedure should be written on the right side. Everything should be written on the right side. Okay, experiment 1, meter bridge, aim, apparatus, theory, procedure, result, everything should be written on the right side, on the rule part of your record. You know, because you had already written fair record of class 11 physics. The same pattern you need to follow here also. And again, no need to draw this figure. Okay, this is the symbolic diagram. You need to draw this diagram, circuit diagram only. No need to draw this diagram. You need to draw only this circuit diagram. Okay, then write the procedure, and the circuit diagram should be drawn on the left side. It should be drawn on the left side. You know that. Okay, so procedure should be written on the right side. Diagram should be drawn on the left side, and it should be properly labeled. Then this is the second point of the procedure. I am not going to explain the procedure because it is very well explained on the YouTube link that I am going to upload along with this video session. So please do watch that YouTube link. Then these are all procedures. So write all the points in the procedure. Now you can skip the 7th point in the procedure part. Okay, that is not required. Okay, children, just skip the 7th point in the procedure part. Then observations. Observations should be written on the left side. Children, you can copy this table. Your observation table should be like this. So don't copy the readings from here, because you will get different readings for different materials of the wire. So no use. Just copy the format of the table. You can pause the video for a while and you can copy the format of the observation table. Only one table is required, and this is the table. Okay, pause the video for a while and then copy the table, observation table. So first column should be serial number, second column resistance from resistance box, third column should be balance in length AB equal to L, and second column BC, length BC 100 minus L, Then final column, unknown resistance X is equal to R into 100 minus L by L. Only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 columns are required. Okay. Then in your lab manual you will see this table, so you can skip this table. No need to draw this table because we are not doing that particular experiment of this section. It has been deleted. Okay, and after observations there are calculations, and you know calculations also should be done on the left side of the record. Then comes our result. Result should be written on the right side, and only first result is required. The resistance of the given wire is equal to dash ohm. You can skip or strike the rest of the results. Only the first portion is required, resistance of the given wire. Then you need to write precautions and sources of error, and from precautions and sources of errors you need to write 2 points each. Okay, you need to study also. So 2 points each are required from precautions and sources of error. Precautions and sources of error also should be written on the right side. Okay, and for your convenience I will show a record. See, this is the record of your seniors. See how neatly they have written. I hope you can see this. Here write the experiment number. If it is 1, you can write it as 1. Then page number, date, write the heading, meter bridge. No need to write 1, 2, etc. because previously there were 2 or 3 experiments based on meter bridge, and this year you need to do only 1 experiment. So just write meter bridge, aim, apparatus, then theory. Okay, write like this neatly, and see on the left side circuit diagram is there. Neatly you should draw the circuit diagram. Then after theory write the procedure. Then after procedure you must write the result. Then after that precautions, sources of error. Just write 2 points each from precautions and sources of error. That is enough. Okay, and in the result part you need to write only first point, the value of unknown resistance. That is enough. Okay, so this is the way to write your record, and here there is observation table, and below the table there are calculations. Okay children, so I hope you got the point. And in order to understand the experiment, in order to know how to perform this experiment, just watch the YouTube link that I am going to upload along with this video lesson. Okay, so just go through that YouTube link. That is very important. Your second experiment will be potentiometer. So here you can write the heading potentiometer. Okay, that must be your heading, experiment title, potentiometer. Then as usual write aim, apparatus, theory, procedure, then result, precaution, sources of error, everything on the right side. And on the left side you should draw the diagram, and below the diagram or on the page you can draw the observation table, and also below that you can do the calculations. Again, regarding the observation table there is a correction. No need to draw this observation table. I will give you a simple one, so just copy that table format. Okay, so this is the observation table for potentiometer. Okay, this is the observation table. Here you can write balancing length. You must write like that, balancing length for Leclanché cell, balancing length for Leclanché cell. And here you must write balancing length for Daniell cell. Okay, balancing length for Leclanché cell, balancing length for Daniell cell. Then you must write L1 by L2. Here L1, L2 must be small letter L, small L1, small L2, and write L1 by L2. Only 3 columns are required. So you can note down this table format for potentiometer experiment. Balancing length for Leclanché cell, that is L1. Balancing length for Daniell cell, L2, L1 by L2. Along with this, I will upload a YouTube link based on that potentiometer experiment. So please do watch that YouTube link. Okay. And again, in the precautions and sources of error, you need to write 2 points each. That is enough. So that's all about the 2 experiments that you have to write in your FAIR record. In the next session, I will discuss another set of experiments. Okay. So be very careful while writing your practical record. You will get 5 marks for your record. Okay, so don't lose it. There will be marks for the neatness of the record. So do your record works seriously. Okay, children. Then go through the YouTube link which will be followed after this session.